Good morning children. I Rajesh going to take today's online class for the student of class 7th subject mathematics. And children, in this class we are going to learn about the topic rational numbers. So children, let us start what rational numbers are. Rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q are called rational numbers. See children, are those numbers that can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. Now children, here P stands for numerator and D stands for denominator. And children, you also keep it in your mind. P and Q here are integers. Like -1, -2, 0, 3, 2, 1, etc. P and Q are integers. It may be -1, -2, 0, 3, 2, 1 or any other integer. But you have to keep it in your mind. Q does not equals to 0. Q never be 0. Now children, we will take few examples for rational numbers and we also learn why Q does not equals to 0. Now look. 2 upon 3. This is numerator, this is denominator. This is called rational numbers. We may write like this, -3 upon 5. Here we have -3, that is negative integer, upon 5. This is also a rational number. Now children, see 3 upon 0. 3 upon 0. This is positive integer and this is 0. And we know that if any number is divided by 0 is not defined. That is why we can say that while we are writing any rational number, we can't take denominator 0. You must remember Q that is denominator never be 0. It may be any other integer like -4 upon -3, 2 upon -5. All these are rational numbers but never 0. Okay children, next is positive rational numbers. Positive rational numbers. As the name suggests, positive. Positive means these are those rational numbers having positive signs. Having positive sign. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 7, 8 upon 9, etc. All these are positive rational numbers. Next is negative rational numbers. As the name suggests, negative. Negative means having minus sign. So, rational numbers having negative sign are called negative rational numbers. For example, minus 3 upon 7, minus 4 upon 9, etc. Both of these are negative rational numbers, because here we have negative sign, here also we have negative sign. Next, children. Next is equivalent rational numbers. Children, as the name suggests, equivalent means equal rational numbers. Children, we can write down equivalent rational numbers by multiplying the numerator and the denominator of any of the rational numbers. We get equivalent rational numbers. So children, you must remember, equivalent rational numbers are rational number can be written with different numerator and denominator. For example, we will consider 3 upon 2. If we want to write equivalent rational numbers of this 3 by 2, what we will do? We will multiply it by 2 and denominator also by 2. We get 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. And again 3 upon 2 is multiplied by 3, we get 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6. We can find as many as equivalent rational numbers as asked in the question. So you must remember 3 upon 2, 6 upon 4, 9 upon 6. All these rational numbers are equivalent. All these rational numbers are equivalent. Now children, we will move towards our exercise. Now children, exercise 9.1. We will discuss at least one part of each question. The first is list 5 rational numbers. Question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between -1 and 0. So children, we have to write down here 5 rational numbers. You may write down more than 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 100. we can find as many as we want rational numbers in between the given two rational numbers. For this, what we will do, first we can write down the number in the form of p by q, like this, minus 1 upon 1. It is understood, children, if there is no denominator, 1 must be there. And the second one is 0 upon 1. And children, we know that we have to find 5 rational numbers. So you always remember, we will add 5 and plus 1. We get 6. As many as numbers we can find, we will add on that 1 on it. So we will now multiply both of these rational number by 6, so that we will able to write down various rational number between these two numbers. See, minus 1 upon 1 multiplied by 6, here also multiplied by 6, we will get minus 6 upon 6, and in this case 0 into 6 upon 1 into 6, we will get 0 upon 6. Now children, this is minus 6 upon 6 and this is 0 upon 6. So in between these, we can write down minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6, minus 3 upon 6, minus 2 upon 6, minus 1 upon 6. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 rational numbers in between the minus 1 and 0. Okay children. Next, the question number 2 of the same exercise. Question number 2 is, write 4 more rational numbers. Write 4 more rational numbers. Write 4 more rational numbers having the same pattern. Having the same pattern. See, minus 3 upon 5, minus 6 upon 10, minus 9 upon 15, minus 12 upon 20. So children, first we will find which pattern followed here. See, this is minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. We get minus 3 upon 5, and in this case we will get minus 3 upon 5 into 2 into 2. We will get minus 6 upon 10. Here minus 3 upon 5 into 3 into 3. We will get minus 9 upon 15. Here we have minus 3 into 4 upon 5 into 4. That is minus 12 upon 20. Now see children, here we have follow the pattern. We will multiply the first rational number by 1 by 1, then 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, next 4 by 4. Or you can say that these all are equivalent rational numbers. So children, the next pattern that we can follow, multiply this minus 3 by 5 by 5. We get minus 3 into 5 is minus 15 upon 25. So next number is minus 15 upon 25. Then we have to multiply this minus 3 upon 5 by 6. We get minus 18 upon 30. minus 18 upon 30. Similarly, the next is minus 3 upon 5 multiplied by 7. We get minus 21 upon 35. So the next number is minus 21 upon 35. The next is, we will multiply minus 3 upon 5 by 8. Minus 3 into 8 is minus 24 and 5 8s are 40. So the next number is minus 24 upon 40. Okay, children.